Hello! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to obtain early childhood and online elementary school materials for distance learning in Washoe County School District. The purpose of distance learning is to reinforce skills your child has learned this school year, and this time will serve as a way to extend that learning. We are not asking the students to learn new skills and information, only to support themselves in strengthening the concepts they have already been taught. As you begin working with your child on these assignments at home, staff are here to work virtually with all families and accommodate all the varying circumstances families are experiencing. Keep in mind, students can electronically submit assignments to their teachers using Microsoft Teams, or they can hold on to their completed assignments until they return to school. Staff members will connect with students and families about the best communication methods. Communication methods may include email, Microsoft Teams, phone calls, or other methods that work best for families and teachers. Hours of availability will be established for contacting staff. This work will not be graded. Feedback will be provided to the student. If you have internet access and multiple computers, tablets at home, please consider accessing these materials electronically so that families who need access can pick up paper packets. If you need a paper packet for your child, please see the schedule and locations page by clicking the Paper Distribution Schedules and Locations link. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the distance learning website and open and view the distance learning lesson plans. Navigate the distance learning website. To access the distance learning website, go to www.washoeschools.net. Click Students Parents. Under the letter D, click the Distance Learning and Family Wellness link. This takes you to a welcome page to include links to all resources available for distance learning. To access elementary school online materials, click the Elementary School link from the welcome page. Click on the grade level that pertains to your student. In our example, we will click on the Kindergarten second grade link. You will notice there is a list of links to correspond with assignments for each week. Let's take a look at how to view assignments. Open and view the distance learning lesson plans. To begin, click the links below Assignments to access assignments for each week. In our example, we will click on Week 1, April 1st through the 3rd. A new tab opens up in a document listing all the assignments for the week. Your student completes the learning activities for the subjects below. Feel free to change the length of time you spend on each subject throughout the week to meet the needs of your students and your families. You simply need your child to complete all the assignments by the end of the week. In addition to the subjects, the distance learning lesson plan also includes the social and emotional learning signature practices to help your child to incorporate some of the social emotional skills they have been working on all year long. This is especially important throughout the distance learning experience. Your student can write these in a journal or notebook to practice self-awareness and self-regulation skills. Each week has a different focus. The document contains links to other online resources to correspond with the learning activities. In the Online Resources column of the table, simply click the link and it will open to the resource available that links to a document, website, or video. Keep in mind that all documents can be downloaded and saved to your computer by clicking on the Download button, or you can choose to print them if you want a hard copy. If you do not have access to a printer, you can complete your work on any paper you have available at home. Remember, you are not expected to drop off your completed assignments at the school. Please hold on to your assignments until school is back in session, or contact your school for how to turn in your assignments electronically. Each school is creating a plan for which teachers you will be communicating with. Please refer to your individual schools to learn more about how you can turn in your assignments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on how to obtain early childhood and online elementary school materials through the Distance Learning website.